Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Outlook error downloading the file content problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to clear site data. To do this, open your browser and click on the three dot icon and you just need to scroll down and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, scroll down and select third party cookies. Just need to scroll down and select see all site data and permissions, and here search for Outlook. Click on the trash icon and select delete it. After doing this, the second step is to adjust internet option settings. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select internet options. In here select advanced tab and you just need to scroll down to the bottom and you need to uncheck do not save encrypted page to disk. Do not save encrypted pages to disk. You just need to uncheck this box guys. After doing this, select apply and OK for save changes. Now close it off here. The third step is to grant the site permissions. To do this, open up your browser and search for Outlook. Click on the site. You just need to log into your Outlook account. After logging in, you just need to select this icon and select site settings. In here, you just need to scroll down. You need to make sure image and JavaScript is allowed over here. Images, select the drop down and select allow, and JavaScript you just need to select the drop down and select allow. After doing this, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use Adobe Repair. If the problem is with PDF files, then this will work guys. To do this, go to search menu and type ARCOBAT. Comes up Adobe Acrobat. Click on open it. Click on the menu on the top and select help and select repair installation and select yes. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to log in from a different browser. The problem may be caused by the browser we are using. You can use Firefox or Opera or Brave browser as an alternative of Chrome. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.